Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google privacy settings. If you want to make your Google account more private, here's how to change your privacy settings. So first, open Google Chrome or any web browser and click your profile picture in the top right corner. Then click Manage Your Google Account. Or you can go to myaccount.google.com, then sign into your Google account if needed. Now, in here, from the left menu, select Data and Privacy. Now, under Data Privacy, look for My Activity and click on it. So, here under My Activity, so this is where you can manage web and app activity, YouTube history, play history, location or timeline history, and you have search services history. So, you can turn these on or off or set them to automatically delete after a certain period. So, for example, let's click Web and App Activity. So this is currently turned on. If you want to turn it off, just click turn off right here. So you can turn it off or you can turn off and delete activity. You can also scroll down and you can also enable auto delete. So let's go back to the last page. So next you can scroll down to personalized ads. Then you can click my ad center and choose whether you want Google to use your activity for ad personalization. If you want to disable this, just click this arrow right here and click turn off and it will be disabled. You can also review the apps and websites connected to your account by going to the security section and removing any you no longer use. So once you've updated your preferences, your new privacy settings will be saved automatically. And that's how you can change your Google privacy settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching.